Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Toyota Corolla door handle. First, ensure you have a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a trim removal tool, and a 10mm socket wrench. Safety is key, so put on your gloves and eye protection. Before starting any work, disconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery for safety. This prevents accidental electrical shorts while working on the door. Now, let's remove the old handle. Use your trim removal tool to carefully pry off the interior door panel, starting from the bottom edge. Once the panel is loose, disconnect any electrical connectors and the door lock cable attached to it. Finally, locate and unbolt the two 10mm bolts that secure the door handle assembly to the door frame. Keep these bolts safe for reinstallation. With the old handle removed, it's time for the new one. Carefully position the new door handle into its opening and secure it using the two 10mm bolts you set aside earlier. Make sure they are snug. Next, reattach all the electrical connectors and the door lock cable to the new handle. Finally, align the interior door panel and firmly snap it back into place, ensuring all clips engage. Before you finish, reconnect your car's battery. Now, thoroughly test the new door handle from both the inside and outside to ensure it operates smoothly and latches securely. Double-check that all door components are functioning correctly. This ensures your new handle is installed properly and safely. For those who love to read, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, along with other great deals you might enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.